Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy USDT and Bitpanda. First things first, you need to deposit funds into your fiat wallet, example euros, USD, the CHF. How do you do that? Tap trade button at the bottom of the screen, and you're going to see a couple of icons. So from these icons, tap deposit. For you to go through the next steps, then you need to verify. I can't verify because of selling restrictions, but after verification, then what you're going to do after tapping deposit and you're done verifying is going to take you to a window where you can now choose your fiat currency. So choose your fiat currency, select the payments method, enter the amount, confirm, and confirm it. So you might receive an SMS or PIN for verification. Just wait. Once you're done, wait for the funds to appear. Now once you're done, navigate to buy. How do you do that? Go ahead and click on trade again at the bottom center of the app and select buy with this plus icon. Again, I have to verify. So once you select buy, type USDT or Tether in the asset search bar. And once you do that, go ahead and tap to select Tether, which is USDT from the result. Make sure your EUR, USD or CHF wallet with sufficient funds is selected, matching the currency you deposit. I'm going to go over that again. Make sure your EUR, USD or CHF wallet with sufficient funds is selected, matching the currency you deposited. Input how much USDT you want to buy. Bitpanda typically allows purchases from as little as $1 to €1. Then tap continue. Sometimes click on go to summary. Review order summary, transaction details, price, and amount. Confirm you agree and tap buy now. After confirmation, your USDT balance will appear in your USDT wallet, and then you are free to hold, swap, or withdraw it as desired. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.